Welcome back, everybody. Well, it is Thursday morning. It's a little late. It's like 7:30. I wanted to make sure I wanted to clean the driveway off and the cars and everything before I left, because we got some snow last night, good 3 inches or so. Nice little coating on the ground outside there. That's what the roadway looks like that I'm driving on. Nice winter wonderland out there today, boys. So past some properties, I saw some deer out feeding on, so hopefully they are moving this morning. That's my guess, is that they're moving and looking for food, and hopefully I can find one or two. I got a buck and doe tag, so I'm ready to go. Got the walking boots on today. So not too far from the spot, just a couple more minutes. Trying to drive slow. The roads are a little sketchy, not all that bad, but like driving in the snow, man. Love it. I grew up driving cars and stuff in our private development that I grew up in. Sometimes a plod come up because the people that we knew took care of the roads that were neighbors, like the township or anything, didn't take care of them, so we could play around in the winter time on the roads and stuff. So that's what I did. Felt like it was dirt track racing, but it was snow track racing. But yeah, a few more minutes and I should be at the spot here. Like I said, it snowed, so we should be able to see pretty good this morning. See anything little move, so. But alrighty, guys, I'll see you in the woods later. Oh, guys, I thought the GoPro was on the whole damn time. It's on. Freaking SD card's full. Got to the hunting spot. I wasn't here 5 minutes walking down this path. And there she is. A big old doe. Big doe. Freaking smoked her. Wow. I fucking plaxed her ass. Woohoo. Meet the freezer, boys. Meet the freezer. I wasn't here 10 minutes. I swear to you. 10 minutes. Nice. Awesome. Woohoo. Man, I'm so mad at myself right now because I ain't take none of the videos off my freaking SD card and get rid of them. I had the GoPro's still on right now. Like, damn it. I had her on film, I had the shot, I had the recovery, I had everything. God damn. Well, they're right. Videoing while you're hunting is a chore. I thought I was good to go. I'll dress light again. Here I am, sweating my butt off. Hey, I ain't have to get cold today. Already back to the truck. Start at 7:30 and it's 8 o'clock. Already tagged out. It's awesome. For a doe anyway. So, that's good. All right, back to the truck. And I have to unload it, of course, and then I gotta pick my deer